Welcome to ZM Facts. Today we are going to discuss 13 interesting facts about Turkey. If you are a person who likes to travel, you should consider going to Turkey. It is a place full of culture, beautiful architecture, historical sites, and delicious food. Many people do not know much about this country. Fortunately, we gathered some facts about Turkey to give you an insight into this beautiful destination and help you decide if a trip to Turkey is right for you. Fact number 1. Istanbul stretches across Europe and Asia. One of the most interesting facts about Istanbul, Turkey's largest city, is that it straddles Europe and Asia. It is the only city in the world that spans 2 continents. This is because the city is located on the beautiful Bosphorus, with Europe on one side and Asia on the other. The entrance to the Golden Horn passes through the European side of Istanbul. Istanbul is truly amazing. You can find most of the famous places in and around the old city of Sultanahmet. Other neighborhoods worth exploring are Karakoy and Nizantasi. Add the neighborhoods of Fener and Balat, with their decadent charm and cobbled streets overlooking the Golden Horn. Fact number 2. Turkey has one of the largest and oldest shopping centers in the world. If you want to buy local products and buy souvenirs when you travel, you will be interested to know the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul. The official name of Cappadocia Çarşı in Turkish dates back to 1455, making it the world's oldest covered market. Over the centuries, it has been transformed into a maze of 61 streets of 333,000 square meters with more than 3,000 shops. Whether you're looking for Turkish rugs, beautiful lamps, tea, or Turkish delights, you'll find amazing local products here. Give yourself time to get lost in this beautiful maze and enjoy shopping. Fact number 3. Turks love tea. Although Turks are lovers of Turkish coffee, they also love tea. 96% of Turks drink at least 1 cup of tea a day. They do it in a special way. While taking tea, Turks drink from a small cup shaped like a tulip. To enjoy this local custom, try a variety of teas, order one for breakfast or after a meal, and sit in the sun and watch it seep through the glass before drinking. Fact number 4. Winemaking important. If you enjoy a glass of wine on its own or with dinner, you will be glad to know that there is an interesting fact about Turkey, that wine production is very important in this country. While many people think of other countries, like France, when they think of wine, Turkey is the wine giant. First of all, Turkey was one of the first wine-producing countries. Turkey is the 4th largest producer of wine grapes in the world. This is due to the climate and fertile soil. So don't be surprised if you drive around Turkey and find lots of vineyards. We visited a beautiful winery while exploring Cappadocia. Fact number 5. Amazing cultural heritage. If the fact that Turkey is most interesting to you is historical, you will be interested to know that Turkey has 13 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. But this is not all. There are a further 62 sites on the provisional list of World Heritage Sites. Some of the most important sites include the Mesolithic Göbekli Tepe, the biblical city of Ephesus, and the First World War battlefield of Gallipoli. Considering the number of significant historical sites in Turkey, it is not surprising that the country ranks 6th in terms of the number of tourists in the world. Fact number 6. More than 80,000 mosques. 99% of Turks are Muslims, so the number of mosques in this country is 82,693. Whether you are Muslim or not, you can have an amazing cultural and religious experience. Some wonderful mosques are open to tourists. One of the most amazing places is the Sultanahmet Mosque in Istanbul. Often known as the Blue Mosque, this mosque is imposing with high ceilings and beautiful tiled cladding. Fact number 7. Turks bring many products to Europe. If you like to travel, you probably know about the tulip season in Amsterdam and the rest of the Netherlands. But did you know that the tulips there are actually imported from Turkey? Tulips are native to Central Asia and were in Turkish gardens long before they reached Central Europe. The government celebrates this fact by planting many onions in the city of Istanbul. If you want to experience the breathtaking sight of these tulips in bloom, be sure to visit Istanbul between the end of March and April. Turkey also introduced cherries and coffee to Europe. So if you like your morning coffee, you have a Turkish citizen to thank. In fact, Turkish coffee is so important that Turkish women have the right to leave their husbands if they cannot offer them coffee. Fact number 8. Santa Claus is from Turkey. Although you may associate Santa Claus with the snowy North Pole, Santa Claus is actually from Turkey. He was born in Patara, Turkey and southern Turkey, on the Mediterranean coast of Turkey. There are other saints associated with Turkey. The Virgin Mary was probably buried near Ephesus. St. Paul was from Tarsus, and the prophet Abraham was born in San Lierfa. Alternatively, it is also possible that Noah finally stopped at Mount Ararat after the Great Flood. Fact number 9. More than 30 languages are spoken in Turkey. Turkish is the official language of Turkey, spoken by 90% of the population. But in fact, more than 30 minority languages are spoken in Turkey. These include Zazaki and Kermenci, as well as Arabic, and Northern Kurdish as two other widely spoken languages. If you are a language lover or want to be in a culturally diverse region, you should visit Turkey. Fact number 10. Turkey has amazing mountains. Just because Turkey has beautiful coastal areas doesn't mean you won't find big mountains in this country. There are more than 130 peaks at 2,900 meters, 98,000 feet, and almost a dozen winter sports resorts where you can enjoy snow in winter in Turkey. The highest mountain in Turkey is Mount Ararat, with a height of 5,165 meters, 16,945 feet. Fact number 11. There are turtle nesting areas. Istuzu Beach, west of Fethiye, is a breeding ground for endangered sea turtles. These turtles arrive between May and October, and in total they plant about 300 nests each year. If you love nature, you're in luck. The Turkish government protects the area while making it a potential tourist destination. Fact number 12. Istanbul Airport is a major hub for air. As you know, we travel a lot, and I have to say that Istanbul Airport is our favorite. It has been voted the best airport in Europe for a reason. It is very well designed, and the Turkish Airlines lounge is one of the best in the world. This is another reason to visit Turkey. A major aviation hub is Istanbul Airport. Turkish Airlines offers flights to more than 360 destinations. So if the urge to travel kicks in again, you can catch your flight quickly. Fact number 13. The first Christians hid in Cappadocia. Cappadocia is an ancient country where the first Christians hid in underground cities and caves when they fled the Roman Empire. Visit these wonderful caves, as well as fairy chimneys and primitive churches. Cappadocia is famous for its hot air balloons over fairy chimneys. You can also see religious frescoes preserved on the walls and book a stay at the luxurious cave hotel. There are many amazing formations in the area, so it is worth a visit to see the beauty of Cappadocia. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and press bell notification for future videos.